So in my last session, I discussed these tips briefly. I think you all are understand these points. Okay. So I go to my next process. Okay. So in these steps, actually silk screen printing, you all are okay. You all are write down these steps. Okay. In these steps, actual silk screen printing on this board occurs. Okay, actual silk screen occurs in this process. Okay, you see here. After this ultraviolet light exposes, we board for these steps are for silk screen printing. Okay, here initially the silk screen is put into the machine. Okay, so this screen are using made by these machines. Okay, I already show you what machine are used. You see here this machine are used. Okay, so then screen printing color. Okay, you see here this is screen printing color, yellow color. Okay, color is added to screen. Okay, and spread evenly over the whole screen using the flow bar. Okay, you see here this is the flow bar. We totally added this color on this type of film. Okay, here you see here the board is fixing on machine for printing. Okay, board are fixed. Okay, on the machine for this silk screen printing. In the next 4 steps, the screen moves upward, downward, left and right. Okay, for direction of printing. Okay, so machine are automatically move this board or screen. Okay, which screen are attached in this board. Okay, so they are moved in upward downward direction, left right direction position. A design you made on Eagle is now implemented on PCB. Okay, you understand these points? So here to print the silk screen on PCB, to ready PCB. Okay, already etched. Okay, is placed below the silk screen fabric. Okay, the PCB should exactly align with the silk screen artwork on top. Okay, so you see here the silk screen artwork on top position. Okay, and your PCB. Okay, where you print your silk screen. Okay, these are placed below this silk screen in the machine. Okay, so here this is the screen. Okay, you see here. Okay, here is the screen printing. Here there is another step. Okay, the print sheet is now posted. Okay, with the aid of the print square, the print is passed through open screen mesh and transferred to the print sheet. Okay, so there is a process which are done in your machine. Okay, again after this Again, after positioning the PCB directly below the cell screen and align well. Okay. The PCB should be fixed firmly in place to ensure that it does not move during the application process. Okay. These cardboard or fixing these films, okay, or cell screen are not moving. Okay. If this move, all printing, all layers are on this board are wrongly printed. Okay. So this can be done using stopper at the side of the PCB. Okay. We use this fixing these boards. Okay. This is done by the stoppers. Okay. After that, the screen ultraviolet fuel ink. Okay. UV fuel ink are used. Usually white are used. Is applied evenly on top of the hardware. Okay. Okay, so here you see, here is the white color. Okay. These are the white. This color used for these tips. Okay. So here we applied even top on this hardware. Okay. Now from here the PCB is dried for about 10 minutes using dry oven. Okay. I will just show you this dry oven. Okay. This process are done. After this process are done, this white color are exposed on it. After this, we put this PCB on this thermal oven for 10 minutes. Okay. Writing on marking are well implemented on this PCB surface. After this 10 minutes, these are done. Okay, these are done. After this oven 10 minutes. Okay, thermally process. After this 10 minutes thermally process. After this color, okay, white color, yellow colors, okay, this is print process are totally done on your PCB. Okay. So these points are very important. I think you all are understand. I repeat, first you fix your print board which are already done. Okay. Already done up to this. Okay. UV rays and etching process of unexposed developer. Okay. After this process, your full printing board, okay, and cell screen print layer, okay, these films are fixing, okay, on this machine. Okay. After that, you fix this all these steps, layers or films very okay. After that, your print cell screen PCB are ready for this process. Okay, this is in fabric are used. Okay, in your machines. Okay, so after this all are done, like this white color are used for this name of your components. These are printed in your PCB. Okay. After this, these colors of name, okay, are exposed in your PCB. After that, this fully completed cell screen PCB exposed in ultraviolet light in a thermal oven for 10 minutes. After that, the writing and marking these are totally ready on your PCB surface. So these are the cell screen steps, which are the very important for a good quality cell screen PCB. So thank you. Yes.